Hey physics, welcome to week 8, I believe. So this is split over a couple different chunks of things, but it's still like 1 week. So if you are in 4th and 6th hour, we're starting the week with a dimensional analysis practice Jamboard that looks like this. It's 7 different problems. What I would recommend when you do this to make it easy on yourself is use a text box, type in your unit, and then say like duplicate. So instead of like trying to like figure out how to do fractions in your one text box, just be like duplicate like that, and then you can times it like that. And if you want to, you can draw stuff like this to show like what you're supposed to be doing there. Okay, that'll maybe make more sense once you could actually get into it, and we'll go over this in class today too. Okay, and the other thing we're going to do for 4th and 6th hour is we're going to go through the test a little bit, just to make sure you guys have a chance to see what you might have gotten wrong, and have a chance to look through that for some test corrections if you would like to do that. Then I'm going to have you play around with a gizmo. The gizmo is not graded, but it is a really good way to practice. So let me show you what it looks like. The gizmo looks like this. So you have your problem right here, and then you are going to take these blocks and put them in here to figure out how to solve these problems. So when things work out well, you'll see they cross off nicely and you end up with the unit that you're looking for. And if you pick the wrong one, or it's flipped the wrong way, you're going to see the unit start getting really crazy. So yeah, that's what you're looking at there. We'll flip these again so they're right. Okay, so that's Friday, Monday. So then Tuesday, Wednesday in the morning, if you haven't gotten through the gizmo yet, you can do that. I'll have a worksheet to go with that if you like a more structured approach to it, and I'll have a video to show how to do that if you would like. And then you're going to find a recipe for your favorite food. We're going to be converting the units during sync time. So you will be making a slideshow, and I'm going to give you an example of one that one of the kids in MSA did. You are going to find the recipe for it, and then you are going to do your conversions on the next page and show the recipe in, you could either convert it from American units to metric units, or you could do like a regular batch to like a giant sized batch for a ton of people, or you could do a super tiny sized batch for very small people, or just, a smaller batch. So yeah, that is Tuesday, Wednesday. And then we have conferences on Thursday, so I'll be talking to a lot of your parents then, kind of excited about it. Make sure you get your missing work in so I can say nice things. And then on Friday/Monday, we're going to have our second round of practice problems. Just kind of working through some more of these kind of things. Okay? So there you go. That's the plan. Bye. I guess I'll tell you guys about one more week because that'll bring us to the end of the unit. So, okay, so like I said, Friday, Monday is that second set of practice problems. If you're in 4th and 6th hour, you're going to have a substitute teacher in the afternoon of Monday. So I'll provide the answer key, and you guys can work through that with your small groups. Then Tuesday, Wednesday of the next week, we're going to do a student-created graph and claim evidence reasoning using some data that we give you. You're going to have to do some conversions with that, create a graph about it, speeds of different animals. And then we'll have a little bit of time to study, and we'll take a mini unit quiz. So meaning that'll finish up the unit on converting units. And then we just have one more week until spring break. So we're going to do a little mini unit about careers in physics and stuff like that. So that is the plan for the next couple weeks. See ya!